Okay. Let us start then. I think last time we had reached till the third question. What I'll do now is I'll just write the fourth sum. And then I'll take someone's help. So what you all can do is you all can raise your hand, whoever wants to answer. Okay. Do not message on screen. Okay, message on Auric De Silva. So this is the question we are supposed to do today. Okay, I can see some people are interested in answering. Let me try Omkar from Chembur. I don't think so. We have spoken before. No,
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible.
Yes, sir.
So if you can see, there are. It's a big sum.
Yes.
1 second. Just a second. Yes. Okay. So what we can do here is this part, if you notice in the denominator, this is already factorized.
Yes.
Is that correct?
Yes.
This is also factorized because x minus 8 the whole square, I can write it as x minus
X
8
plus.
into x minus 8.
Sir,
Whole square.
X plus 8, X minus 8, right?
No. That, see, the difference is x square minus 8 square is that. Do you see a difference in these?
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Whole square मतलब same thing दो बार आएगा.
Okay.
अगर एक एक का square है, then what you're saying is correct. X plus 8, x minus 8. Okay.
Yes.
So this is also factorized. This is also factorized.
Yes.
This is not factorized here. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes.
तो इसको मैं अलग से लेता हूँ. X square minus 5x minus 24. And if you realize it is actually from the first exercise that we did.
Yes, sir.
You remember the steps?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what are the steps?
Yeah, so firstly, you gotta multiply the first thing, what we can say, coefficient. Yeah, first number actually.
First
number and the last number.
So that is 1 into 24 is 24. No, we will not. That's why I said only number.
Okay.
Not x square.
24.
24 का दो branches बनाना है. What is the last sign?
Minus.
That means we should add the factors and get 5, or should we subtract and get 5?
We should
last sign
add.
क्या है?
Add. No, subtract.
Last sign क्या है?
Subtract. Minus.
Minus है ना? So we should subtract.
Yes.
So 1 into 24 is correct or wrong?
Yeah, it is correct, but it doesn't add to minus 5.
Add nahi, subtract. We just now discussed.
Okay.
It should subtract to 5.
Oh, yeah.
24 minus 1, is it 5?
No.
Okay, next let's try 2 12s are.
No.
3 8s are.
Yes.
Sorry. 3 8s are.
Yes, sir.
Is this correct?
Yes.
So what to write in the next step?
X squared minus 8x.
Don't tell me the sign. Just tell me the number.
Okay, 8x.
8x.
3x.
3x.
Minus 24.
Minus 24. Now tell me, दोनों को add करके 5 आया, subtract करके?
Subtract करके.
So signs are same or different?
The since it is minus 5, so the signs are different.
And this minus will go to 8 or 3?
It will go to 8.
Correct.
Because it is a bigger number.
Correct. If this is minus, then this is?
Plus.
Correct.
Yeah.
Now, do you remember we used to write it?
Yes.
Into x. Minus 8 into x. Plus 3 into x. Minus 3 इधर है तो इधर भी आना चाहिए. Then how to write it?
3 into 8.
3 into 8. Okay. What is common in these two?
X.
X is common. So I will take X
Yes.
outside. What remains?
X minus 8.
Correct. What is common here?
3.
3 is common. So I will write
Yes.
plus 3 outside.
Plus 3.
What
Yes.
remains?
X minus 8.
X minus. So what is the next step?
X minus 8. X plus 3.
Very good. So now what we have done is we have factorized this
Right.
also. This is also done.
Yes.
सिर्फ अभी ये बचा है. Correct?
Yes.
Okay, wait one
So,
second. So now next, wait, I'll just erase that extra line that I made.
yes.
Yeah. So now if you notice this, if I write this also separately, it is x square minus 64.
Yes.
Now I have told you either it should look like these three terms or it can be one of the three formulas. देखो a square minus b square होना चाहिए, a cube plus b cube होना चाहिए, a cube minus b cube होना चाहिए. Out of the three, what does this look like?
A squared minus b squared.
But this should also be a square. क्या 64 square है?
64 is a squared. Yes, yes, it is. 8. 8.
So is it okay if I write 8 square?
Yes.
And what is the formula of a square minus b square?
A plus b, a minus b.
So what will be the answer here?
X plus 8, x minus 8.
You understood? यहाँ पे वो क्यों नहीं लगा था formula?
Yeah, because it was whole squared.
Whole square, correct. So now we have factorized everything. So I'm going to write it here separately.
Yes.
This comes to this step, okay?
Okay.
So what you all can do is you'll write the question. Next line में you can do all of this. Then उसके नीचे you can do all of this. उसके नीचे now you'll again start. So what you will do is tell me instead of this big bracket, is it okay if I write these two?
Yes.
So I will write x minus 8.
Plus 8, x plus 3.
X plus 3. अच्छा denominator में क्या लिखेंगे?
The same, x plus 3, x plus 8.
Okay.
Because it is already factorized.
Yes. Into ये x square minus 64 के जगह पे we'll write this.
Yes.
X
plus 8, x minus 8.
X minus 8. And in the denominator here, do you agree we'll write x minus 8 the whole square? I told you same thing.
Yes. Yes.
X minus 8.
Minus 8 into x minus 8.
Tell me, is anything getting cancelled?
Yes. Many things.
Okay.
So, in the numerator of the first fraction, x minus 8
with one
and denominator, yeah. Then the next in the numerator x plus 3
with x plus 3.
X plus 3. Then in the numerator of the second fraction x plus 8
and x plus 8.
X plus 8. And then the that is left x minus 8 x minus.
So can I say the final answer is
1? 1. Yes.
Okay. Is there some difficult or easy?
It is very easy, sir.
Okay. Great. Thank you, Omkar.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I hope everybody found it easy and everyone was able to solve it. Some people are asking where they should message. Message me at Auric De Silva. Okay. Anthony DeCosta wants to ask a doubt. But Anthony, before asking any doubt, put a branch and message me the doubt first. Okay. Okay, I hope everybody has copied. In case you all have not copied, then you all can take a screenshot right now because I'm going to erase it. I want everyone to write it with me, okay? When I'm explaining the steps, understand and write it with me. I'm writing it slowly so that you all can also follow. Okay, so I'll erase it now. Yes, some people are turning on the video. Please turn off your videos. Shravya from JP Nagar, turn off your video. Shravya, you've turned on your video. Shravya cannot hear me. Okay. Okay, I think Anthony has a doubt. Yes, Anthony. Hello. So just message me your doubt, no? Okay. Till then, I'll just copy. Till Anthony is asking me for the doubt, I'll just copy the next question. That is the fifth sum. Again, this looks like a big sum. 3x square minus x minus 2 upon x square minus 7x plus 12. Okay, this divided by it. See, till now we were getting multiplication. I'll tell you what to do when there's division. 3x square minus 7x minus 6. And last is x square minus 4. Okay. Okay, let me check who wants to answer this one. Okay, let's try Nishita from JB Nagar. Hello, Nishita.
Yes, sir.
Can you see the sum?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now remember, whenever you have division sign in between, no, we cannot cancel anything. Okay.
Okay.
So what we will do in the next step is we'll write the same thing in the first part, 3x square minus x minus 2 upon x square minus 7x plus 12. But what we'll do when this division is we'll make it multiplication and we will make this ulta, or in math we call it as reciprocal.
Okay, sir.
So if we do that, what will I have to write here?
X square minus 4 upon 3x square minus 7x minus 6.
Okay, understood till here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now what we'll do is we'll factorize one by one. Let's start with this.
Okay, sir.
So starting with 3x square minus x minus 2. Can you tell me the first step?
Multiply the first and the last number.
Okay, what is the first number?
3,
Last number?
2,
So 3 2s are
6.
6 का factors. अच्छा,
6
लास्ट टाइम क्या है?
minus.
तो ऐड करके बीच में वन आना चाहिए, सब्ट्रैक्ट करके.
Subtract करके.
So tell me what can be the factors.
2 3s are 6.
Perfect. And 3 minus 2 क्या होता है?
1.
So I will write this as 3x square. Then what are the two factors?
3x, 2x, minus 2.
Okay. Did we add them to get one or subtract them?
We subtracted them.
Signs are same or different?
Different.
Minus goes to 3 or 2?
3
So 2 ko?
plus.
Okay. So see, I'm writing it separately now. 3x square is 3xx minus 3 into x plus 2 into x minus 2. Correct?
Yes.
What is common in these two?
3x.
3x is common, 3x is common. So if 3x goes outside, what remains inside?
X minus 1
Okay, what comes common here?
plus 2.
Okay, so 2 common है. 2 बाहर जाता है तो अंदर.
X minus 1.
Okay, what is the final answer?
3. X minus 1. 3x plus 2.
3x plus 2. Perfect. Okay.
Yes.
So I'm going to write the first one over here. I'm going to make a list so I can add later. 3x minus 1, 3x plus 2. Okay. Now let me erase this.
Yes.
Okay, Nishita, what I'll do is I'll pick someone else also now so that a lot of people get chance to answer. Is that okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, thanks, Nishita. Okay, next let's pick Amberlyn. Hello,
Yes, sir.
Amberlyn. Next we'll be working on, wait, Yeah. Next, we'll work with this x square minus 7x plus 12.
Okay, sir.
So, what is the first step?
Multiply the first and the last numbers.
So, first number क्या है?
1,
Last number
12,
1 into 12.
12,
So 12 का let's understand what factors. अच्छा, last sign क्या है?
plus,
So should we add the factors and get 7 or subtract and get 7?
add and get 7.
Okay. Can you think of?
1 12s are 12.
But the addition is 13.
2 6 are
2 6 are 12, but the addition, sorry, 2 6 are 12, but the addition is 8.
3 4s are
3 and 4 का addition क्या है?
7.
Okay. So is that okay?
Yes.
Okay. So I'll write x square, then
3x 4x plus 12.
okay. Did we add them or subtract them to get 7?
Add them.
So signs are same or different?
Same.
Minus goes to both of them.
Yes.
Minus, minus. Okay. Now I'll write it separately. X square is xx. Minus 3 into
3
x
into x. Minus
Minus
4 into x.
plus
3
into 4. Na? Both should have 4.
into 4.
Achha, what is common here?
X.
If x is common, what remains inside?
X minus 3.
What is common here?
4. Minus 4.
So minus 4 if it comes outside. Inside it will be x plus 3 or x minus 4.
X minus 3.
When minus goes outside, middle sign changes. Correct, no? So x
So
minus.
you have put
Tell me. Some mistake?
yes, so outside and inside both are minus.
That is okay. So x minus 3, x minus 4 hoga, na? This will be the answer.
Yes.
What I have told you all before is if minus goes outside, then the middle sign changes. Change matlab plus se minus hoga.
Yes.
Okay. So that means the denominator later I'm going to write is x minus 3 and x minus
4.
Okay, let me erase this now. Okay, Amberlin, I'll pick someone else now. Thanks for answering.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Next, we can go for Sneha.
Yes, sir.
Now let us go for this part, the denominator.
Yes.
So 3x square minus 7x minus 6.
Okay.
Okay. So yes, tell me.
First we have to multiply three first number and the last number.
So that is what into what?
18.
18. 18 का ऐसा अच्छा what is the last sign?
Minus.
तो ऐसा फैक्टर्स बताओ जो ऐड करके 7 देगा या माइनस करके 7 देगा?
Minus.
हाँ, तो कैन यू थिंक ऑफ फैक्टर्स? 1 into 18.
18.
18 minus 1 क्या होता है?
17.
नहीं चलेगा ना, 7 चाहिए.
Yes. 9. 9 into 2.
9 into 2. What is 9 minus 2?
7.
तो चलेगा ना?
Yes.
अच्छा, so what will I write?
3x square
Hmm.
minus minus 9x 2x 6
अरे साइन,
minus 6
अच्छा दोनों को ऐड करके 7 आया, सब्ट्रैक्ट करके?
subtract
तो साइन द सेम और डिफरेंट?
different
माइनस विल गो टू 9 और 2,
9
इधर माइनस तो इधर
plus
प्लस. Okay, so now if I want to take common, I'll separate it as 3x square को I'll write 3 into x into x.
yes
अच्छा इधर 3 है तो इधर भी 3 आना चाहिए, तो 9 को कैसे लिखूं?
9x
9, no, instead of 9 I have to take 3 common, no? तो 9 को
yes
can I break it into 3 का टेबल?
yes
तो क्या लिखूं? 9 को 3 into क्या लिखेंगे? 3 के टेबल में 9 आता है क्या?
yes
तो 3 into what is 9?
3 threes are
I'm writing 3 into 3. You
3 into
understood now
3
why I wrote 3? So I can
yes
take 3
yes
common
yes
into x plus 2 into x minus 6 में 2 के टेबल में कैसे लिखूं? Because 2 I have to take
3
common.
3 into 6 3
3 into
into
6 is
2
2. Okay, what is common in these two?
3x
3x is here also, 3x is here also. So 3x goes out. What remains inside?
x minus 3
Okay, what is common here?
plus 2
If 2 goes out, plus 2 goes out, what remains inside?
x minus 3
Okay, and if I write x minus 3 common, so what is remaining?
3x plus 2
3x plus 2. Correct? So in the second
yes
fraction, denominator is this, x minus 3, 3x plus 2. यहाँ तक ठीक है?
yes yes
अच्छा, now wait, you help me with the, in finishing the sum. I'll just erase
okay
this. Okay. Now talking about this,
yes
x square minus 4. Out of the three formula, which does it look like? A square minus b square, or a cube plus b cube, और a cube minus b cube. तीनों में से कौन सा लग रहा है ये?
a square plus b square
प्लस कहाँ पे?
no एक square minus b square
हाँ, बट उसके लिए दोनों स्क्वायर होना चाहिए. तो x स्क्वायर
yes
स्क्वायर है, 4 किसी का स्क्वायर है क्या?
2
2 स्क्वायर.
2 square
What is the formula of a square minus b square?
a bracket open a plus b bracket close a bracket open a minus b bracket close
हाँ, तो यहाँ पे फर्स्ट a plus b की जगह पे क्या आएगा?
minus x plus 2
करेक्ट, प्लस 2 एंड
x minus 2
परफेक्ट. तो ऊपर ऐसा आएगा x plus 2 x minus 2.
okay
Correct?
yes
Now, after doing all these steps, let us finally write the last step of the sum where most of the things should get cancelled. Okay, so इसके जगह पे we'll write the top part, that is x minus 1 into 3x plus 2.
yes
Then denominator में we'll write x minus 3 and x minus 4
yes
into, here we'll write x plus 2 and x minus 2, and here we'll write x minus 3 and 3x plus 2. Achha, can you find out what all is getting cancelled?
x minus 3
Where is x minus 3 getting cancelled? x minus 3 दोनों नीचे ही हैं.
Yes.
नीचे दोनों नीचे थोड़ी कैंसिल होंगे, डिनोमिनेटर ऊपर नीचे
Okay.
कैंसिल होगा.
Um.
Any other bracket that is both in the numerator as well as denominator?
No. Yes. 3x plus 2.
3x plus 2, 3x plus 2 cancel, correct?
Yes.
So do you agree ऊपर बच रहा है x minus 1, x plus 2 and x minus 2,
Yes.
and denominator में बच रहा है x minus 3. अच्छा, it is there twice, no?
Yes.
So is it okay if I write whole square?
Hello.
Is it okay if I write whole square?
Yes.
And यहाँ पे x minus 4.
Yes.
This is the answer.
Okay.
Okay, understood?
Yes.
Yes, students, I hope everybody has understood this. So from the look of it, I think Saturday we should be able to finish this chapter, because I don't think so we'll finish all the sums today. But that's okay. Now what I'll do is, I don't want to pick anyone to answer. I want you all to quickly try the 6th question. Okay, I'm giving you all time. I will be solving it very slowly. So I'm writing the 6th question. I want, it's a very small sum, simple sum. I want you to try it. और किसी को आंसर पता चल जाए तो मैसेज मी. Okay. I'm also going to solve it, but I'm going to solve it very slowly. So I want you all to take your time quickly and finish it off. Okay, people have already started messaging me the answer. That's good. Okay, so I'm starting to solve. Till then, you all don't have to wait for me. Okay, I'll start with the first numerator. 4x square minus 11x plus 6. Now here, if I multiply the first and the last number, that is 4 into 6 is 24. Okay. Now last sign is plus. So the factors have to add and give you 11. Add करके 11 आना चाहिए. So okay, so I can try 1 into 24, but the addition is 25. I can try 2 into 12. The addition is 14. I can try 3 into 8. And the addition is, just a second. Okay. So yes, the addition is 11. Okay. So I'll write it as 4x square. Then I'll write 3x, 8x plus 6. Since I've added both of them, minus goes to both, minus and minus. Okay. So now we will take common. So I'll separate them. 4 is 2 into 2. X square is x into x. Minus 3x. So we need not make it 2 into 2. We can leave it as 4. Minus this, I'll write it as 2 into 4 into x. And 6, I'll write it as 2 into 3. So here, I can take only x common. So we get 4x minus 3. And here we'll take 2 common, minus 2. So I'll get 4x. Since minus has gone out, middle sign will change to minus. And I'll get 4x minus 3 and x minus 2. Okay. Same way, if I have to look at the denominator it is, if you all notice, it looks very much like a square minus b square. So 16x square, I'll write it as 4x the whole square. 4 ka square is 16, x ka square is x square, minus 9 is 3 square. Okay, so now it looks like a square minus b square. So the answer is 4x plus 3 and 4x minus 3. So now if I have to follow this question, I can break the numerator into this part, that is 4x minus 3 and x minus 2 upon denominator. I can write this part, 4x plus 3 and 4x minus 3. Here if you notice 4x minus 3, 4x minus 3 gets cancelled, and I think most people have sent the correct answer as x minus 2 and 4x plus 3. Perfect. Okay. So I hope everybody has gotten the sums. Next time we'll finish the 2 sums. I think it's almost time up for me. So I'll be handing it over to Amrita ma'am now. Okay. Just a second. I will. Hello, Amrita ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I'll be ending the lecture. I'll be stopping the lecture from my side. You can continue.
Yeah, sure, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Okay. See you all students. I'll see you all